Okay, so this is a microscopic look of the lungs. So we're going to start more simple structures. Each one of these circles, small little globular, that would be one alveolus. Plural is alveoli. This just shows an open alveolus, and it's just trying to show you one nucleus, kind of squished cells is made of simple squamous, each alveoli. You can see there's a space. This is one alveolar sac. It's basically a cluster of several alveoli, and the brown is the opening into the sac, which we call the alveolar duct. Okay, so you have multiple alveolar sacs. Each would have their own alveolar duct, which extends upwards and is going to form structure right here with the pink bands that still has the alveoli on it. This is your respiratory bronchiole. Remember, this is the first structure where you can start to have respiration, so it begins the respiratory zone. And then the respiratory bronchiole feeds into the terminal bronchiole, which is right here, and this would be a terminal as well. Terminal is the last part of the conducting zone, which just carries oxygen to the alveoli. And although you wouldn't have cartilage all the way down here, they are just trying to show that as you move down what we call the respiratory tree, which actually, this is a model of the respiratory tree. Okay, so somewhere between here and here, you just have several bronchi, which are cartilage. They get smaller, and then you stop having cartilage and you only have smooth muscle, and that's when it becomes a bronchiole. You name bronchioles only 2 times, and you have to go backwards. So alveolar ducts feed into, as I said, right where this pulmonary veins over, that would be your respiratory bronchiole. And then this one coming off to the side here, and this one coming off to the side here would be your terminal bronchioles. So this is just a normal bronchiole, and actually, since there's cartilage, I think they're just trying to show bronchi. Also here, remember that this is the pulmonary circuit. So this is your pulmonary artery, which is deoxygenated, which is why it's blue. And this is your pulmonary vein, which is red, which would be carrying oxygen back to the heart. This is just representing the pulmonary capillary beds, the red and the black. This is the outer surface of the lungs, okay, which would be called your visceral pleura.